Hi guys, so right now we're gonna do another DIY ukulele. This time I decided to make like a customized hole, which is my favorite symbol, the 4-leaf clover. So I actually bought this 1/8 plywood for I think 50 pesos. Yeah, I bought it for 50 pesos. So I measured the hole because actually this time my ukulele hasn't arrived yet. Ayun, super excited. So I just used my son's ukulele to measure the hole because I think it is the same size. And then I also did the same thing on a piece of paper because that's where I will draw the clover. So what I did is after I cut the circle, I folded it into 3 like so. So it's time to open it. There, and I've got a clover. Okay, and we're gonna do this here. So now we're gonna cut it using just this. Okay, and this is the hardest part of all. The wood is too thin that I couldn't actually risk on using a saw. So ayan, sobrang tiyagaan talaga. I have to do this like over and over until I cut through the wood. Okay, so I have here 400 grit. I don't have any more higher grit sandpaper. This is everything that's left. This is 80 grit. Like I've said in my review, the problem with this uke that I bought is that the fretboard actually doesn't fit the neck. Well, it fits, but there's like a 4mm difference here. So I really have to sand it down. I was thinking if I should use my grinder or if a higher grit sandpaper is enough, but we'll see. Okay, for now let's just stick it together already. Okay, yeah, let's do this. And then we'll use a higher grit on the sides as well, higher than 220. So I'm gonna use the 80. So just I'm done sanding this one. Like sand the sides already before we install it here, because if it's already installed, we're gonna have a hard time like sanding this part. Okay, so I'm thinking if we can just mark that part first. Wait, I'm gonna get this. Okay, so the knot is going here and the side. something. Since I don't have a long clamp, so this is what I did. I used the chair to hold it together. It's working, so it's gonna stay here for like 24 hours. Tignan natin yung bridge. Ang measurement pala ng bridge ay from the knot to the 12th fret. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12th fret. 19.2. Yung measurement from knot to 12th fret papunta sa ano tawag dito? Sa saddle. Ganun din. So 19 point. Oh, galing ko. Sakto. Yun, dito. Temporary mark. So papantay pa natin. Spoon. Also get the measurements from the sides and also the middle so that your bridge is in the middle of the body. With this one, I decided not to paint it, but instead just put varnish. And if you notice, there's already a hole in my ukulele. I will post a separate video on how I did this. This is where we will put the pickup tuner. So check out that video, guys. If you can see, the bridge is already installed as well, and also the clover hole that I made from the plywood. Sorry I wasn't able to do a video on the drawing, but this is the final design I made for my ukulele. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked it, and if you want me to do more DIYs, please do subscribe. Bye!